Hello everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Today we announced the date when the price of the Shiba Inu coin will skyrocket. News about SHIB Satoshi Kusama said that Shiba Inu could work with Facebook and Decentraland by helping to make decisions about global metaverse policy at the World Economic Forum. Someone on social media who goes by the name Satoshi Kusama is the volunteer project lead and creator for Shiba Inu. They said that the World Economic Forum, WEF, wants to work with the meme-based cryptocurrency on global policy. We will talk about the date that will be made public when the price of Shiba Inu coins will go through the roof. SHIB News. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to see our newest videos about Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert analysis, please share the channel and subscribe. Let's start the video right away. Kusama said that the WEF had kindly asked the Shiba Inu project to work with them on global policy in a poll that was shared on Twitter on November 22. There was a sense that the Shiba Inu creator was talking about metaverse rules. At WEF meetings, crypto and blockchain had been talked about before, but partnering with a well-known meme token would be a first for the group. That's right, Kusama said. We would be at the table with policymakers and help make global rules for the MV with big companies like Facebook, Bixuk, and Decentraland, and more. When the article was published, more than 65% of the 9,500 people who answered Kusama's poll said they wanted Shiba Inu to work with the WEF. The other 10% said it didn't matter anymore. More than 861,000 people follow Kusama on Twitter. Cointelegraph Markets Pro data shows that the share price has dropped about 80% in the past year, hitting 8,727 cents. If Shiba Inu hit $1 during the next bull run, you would have made 12 million%. That means you could turn $10 a day into more than $1 million. $100 could be worth more than $12 million. Shiba Inu went through 41% of its stock in May 2021, and the price of the SHIB went up by 40 million% between January and October. Many people who put $100 into Shiba Inus did get lucky, and their money grew to $40 million. To get close to a $1 price, Shiba Inu can only burn tokens. If it didn't, its market cap would have to be over $500 trillion. The value of it is greater than the sum of the world's biggest stocks and its largest annual GDP put together. It is not possible for the market cap to reach $500 trillion, but 500 trillion Shiba Inu tokens should be burned until the supply is more in line with the market cap. On the other hand, buyers haven't seen the Shiba Inu burn rate this low in 18 months. Back in May of this year, 31 billion SHIB were destroyed. In November, only 370 million were killed. If you burn Shiba Inus at this rate, it will be more than 120,000 years before they are worth around $1. The most watched cryptocurrency of 2021 is once again having trouble, which is putting buyers' patience to the test. In the past, a Shiba Inu's value was closely tied to how well it could be used. But things have changed since Elon's control over the joke coins has grown. Shiba Inu quickly went up with Dogecoin when Musk ended his very controversial deal with Twitter, but it went down again because of the spread. Shiba Inus are clearly very valuable, but their value is always changing and depends a lot on outside things. People are moving into the area, but it goes without saying that Shiba Inus are dying. The current situation is very strange because just a few months ago, experts said that either Shiba Inu or Dogecoin would take over the market from Bitcoin. Still, SHIB value is also affected by how well the main token does. How the market feels about Shiba Inus comes down to how other cryptocurrencies and outside factors affect the joke coin. The small and rapid price jumps in Shiba Inus are a lot like how Bitcoin has behaved in the past. People who trade in and study the stock market often compare the meme coin to Bitcoin and come to the conclusion that Shiba Inu is dying, just like BTC did a few days ago. Analysts thought that the price of Shiba Inu would hit new all-time lows and have the worst performance in the history of cryptocurrency. This was after Terra's huge disaster earlier this year, when meme coins were rising again to make money. In the meantime, the environment for crypto assets is still shaking, and crypto broker Genesis said that withdrawals and repayments would stop. These things have stopped Shiba Inus from growing very much. It's safe to say that crypto has had a rough week. Shiba Inu bearish trends are getting stronger. Reports say that the joke coin lost between 7 and 8% of its value, even though crypto whales are buying a lot of tokens. Large bearish market emotions are the only explanation for these events. The number of Shiba Inu users who have bought the token has increased by more than 50% in just 1 year, showing that whales are optimistic. Investors don't really believe in its chances, though. Also, The present downward trends in market sentiment are stopping crypto traders from investing a lot of money in crypto as the general economic and financial downturns get worse. Leaders in finance and investments are telling people they won't put money into riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. Reports say that Shiba Inu's trade volumes went up by 92%, even though the market has been going down lately. Some people say that when volatility is high, trading numbers are also high. Investors want to make huge gains and don't want to miss out on the chance to do so. Because buyers are buying up KIBS at its current lows, its volume is going up. This will at least mean something in the coming months. Over the past couple of weeks, there have been a lot more big trades on the market. This means that SHIB whales are making bigger moves. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency based on a meme, has gained over 50,000 new owners on the blockchain. Even though the collapse of the famous cryptocurrency trading platform FTX has caused a crash in the cryptocurrency market. CoinMarketCap and Etherscan say that the number of unique addresses on the blockchain that hold Shiba Inu has grown from about 1.227 million a month ago to over 0.128 million at the time of writing. As you can see, SHIB has been getting over 1,500 new holders every day. SHIB users have been growing even though the price of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency has been falling. This is because of the collapse of FTX, which made investors lose faith in other major digital currencies. SHIB has lost more than 17% in the last 30 days. The price pages of the exchange also show that Shiba Inu is the 11th most popular coin on the site. Shiba Inu investors bet that the price would go up as more people use the coin and the supply would go down as planned. Even though Shiba Inu, the dog cryptocurrency, is dangerously float just above the support line at 10 cents. Shiba Swamp's petrol fee token has had a great week, rising 10.1% in the last 7 days. Shibarium, the SHIB ecosystem-bound Layer 2 option for SHIB, is still in the testing phase. A lot of the top 100 Ethereum whales are interested in bones. Popular crypto influencers on Twitter say that the 152 ND placed bones' next goal is $1. Also, the KIBS delicacy coin is trending on DEX tools, and the candle is green, which is a good sign. This green candle shows that trading has picked up a lot. CoinGecko says that the price of bone is 980,311 cents right now. This is an increase of 0.9% in the last 24 hours. Bone kept track of 8 days in the green. Also, the possible offering on Robinhood could be the turning point for Bone. That's all for today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. To see our newest videos, share the channel and subscribe to